Zone configuration. Philips MasterConnect tutorial video. To customize light levels, light behavior, and response times of all lights within a zone. Enter the group overview screen. Tap the configuration icon next to the zone name, second icon from the right. Choose Edit Configuration and change the parameters according to your needs. You can change the light levels by adjusting the values for the field task level, eco-on level, and background level. Activate or deactivate the daylight sensors or motion sensor by using the toggles. Select one of the 3 occupancy modes. Change the hold timer, grace fading period, and prolonged timer to match your needs. Lastly, choose the group occupancy behavior to define how occupancy detections are shared within a group or zone. Press Save and Apply to modify configuration. Repeat this process in other zones you would like to change the configuration. The configuration of the zones has been successfully modified.
Philips